Hi, good evening. Hi Ramshad, hi Sharul, hello. Good evening, good evening. Rashid bro, good evening, good evening. Then എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യട്ടെ. നമുക്കൊന്ന് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഹായ് ദേവിക, ഹായ്. യെസ്, നമ്മൾ വീക്ക്ലി നെക്സ്റ്റ് കമ്മിങ് വീക്ക് എന്താണ് ഫോർകാസ്റ്റ് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. സോ ഹരിറാസ ഹലോ. So നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും we are very anxious because last week the gold price was very high and we were expecting a good fall, but instead of that we got a structure break and something like that. അപ്പോൾ കറൻസി അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഗോൾഡ്, സിൽവർ, ക്രിപ്റ്റോ ഈ പറയുന്ന അസറ്റ്സ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് ഈ വരുന്ന കമ്മിങ് വീക്ക് എന്തായിരിക്കും എന്നുള്ളതാണ് വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ടുഡേ. സോ നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് പേരും കൂടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വി ക്യാൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഫ്രം ഗോൾഡ്. So I'm waiting. If you have any suggestions or if you have any charts to analyze, then you can share in comment box. We will discuss here. So in the last week, you can see this community Discord. In last week, we have given some analysis in USDJPY and US Tech and then what is this? Okay. US Tech. So if you guys are following US index, then you can come in here. We will update the status and we will update the market analysis. So we can start from US stock market. Then previous week it was not previous week, before the 2 weeks before it was a good fall. So we may have heard this news about the stock market crash in US. So approximately $1.2 trillion has wiped out from the market. So that's why the index and everything was fall. So but the last week the index has shown a bullish momentum we can see in the chart. So okay. So today first we are discussing about the gold. So let me open my chart. So here you can see when we are looking, I'm marking the data, I'm taking day time frame. So here the market has created this one was actually a March 31st high. So we can say it's a previous month high. So this is previous month high. So we know that this is a major buy side liquidity, and the market has taken the buy side liquidity and the create a strong bullish movement. As we can see in the indicator, maybe some of you guys have known this indicator. So this is our advanced indicator named is Guppy. So in this Guppy indicator, which is indicating the connections or the current volume of retailers and investors in the market, so which is showing a bullish momentum in the market. So we are discussing this indicator Guppy in advance. So not in advance, sorry, in HADC, in advance last class we are discussing this indicator, and which is indicating the last this strong bullish momentum, which is indicating the retailers and also the investors both are in bullish momentum. And here we can see a previous month high is taken, and this is a clean structure break as well. If the market has creating any bearish momentum in the market, it should have created a shadow which is taking the liquidity and a strong rejection we can see here. But instead of that, we are only seeing a candle has broken this previous high and create another bullish candle on Friday. So this is a clean structure break, and as we can see in weekly, here as well it's a strong bullish momentum. There is actually a little bit selling pressure is there, but it's a strong bullish candle. And we are coming today. Here you can see the market has taken this trend line liquidity So this liquidity has been taken on, it was taken on 7th of April. And one more thing that is interesting, we have actually completed the first quarter of this year, and this is now it's a second quarter of this year, and the first week has done and the second week. So we already know that the first week will be the liquidity and the second week will be the expansion or a fall. So here we can see the market has confirmed one expansion in gold, and we got a structure break. So we can take this one as a structure break, and same we can take this is a what a previous monthly high taken. So we can consider both. And my view is the market has taken the previous sell side of the last sell side of the month, and the market has taken the previous month high, and currently we are trading in the second quarter of this year. So here we can take this one as a breakout structure. So we already know what is the breakout structure and what will be the trade. So here we have a previous month high taken and a breakout structure. Yeah, the previous month high taken and a breakout structure here. So simply we can take this one as an impulse, and we are expecting a correction at a minimum correction. Either it will be 0.382 or 0.5. More than 0.5 I am not expecting. Maybe 0.5 or 0.382. Maybe on the Monday or Tuesday the market will create a correction at 0.382 or 0.5. So we are expecting like that. For confirming this, we can compare the chart with the silver. So I am opening, let me open the silver chart. So actually we know that both the silver and gold they are actually positively correlated. And when we are looking the momentum of this chart, here it is actually the retailers and investors are still in bearish, which means the silver didn't silver didn't show its bullish nature, and we have to confirm. And when we are looking this HADC, here also the same we are seeing. This one was the last DC, and the market didn't the market didn't create a bullish DC here. So we are expecting silver is in bearish, so the same we can expect in gold. So that's why I am expecting a correction at 0.382 or 0.5. So if we are looking for a 4-hour chart, here you can see we have a 1 and we have a 2. I am expecting an impulse. So we can see a clear Elliott here. 0, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 to come. Then so already the market has completed 3.618. Then there is a possibility for coming for creating the wave number 4, and after that the wave number 5. So when we are taking fib retracement from this 2 to 3, so we already know that the wave number 4, this wave number 4 has to create a minimum correction of 24%, right? So 0.236. So this is I am expecting a minimum correction. So the market has to create a correction at minimum 3181. So this is a minimum correction. If it is coming down, then 0.382. This one also an expected correction. So on the coming week, I am expecting a correction level at this in between this zone, 0.236 to 0.382. So 3,181 and 3,141. This range I am expecting the correction. From this correction, after completing this 4th wave, we can target the 4 to 5. So once you are getting, already we got one structure break here. We already get that. We already got that structure break on this last week, and we already got this sell side liquidity hunt. And in 4 hour we can see an Elliott impulse. We have 0, 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. The market has completed the 3.618 wave, 3.618 level, and we are expecting a 4. And So in between 0.236 to 0.382 we are expecting next 4 to 5, and once you are getting a change of character from this level, then we can directly go to this, we can directly target this 4 to 5. So according to Elliott rule, Elliott wave principle, we can target this. So just wait for getting a confirmation after this for 3 to 4, then always look for a buy, and take extra confirmation of this silver as well. And if the market takes if the market creates a bullish DC here, then if the market creates a bullish DC on Monday or Tuesday, and the same if the market creates a correction at 0.236 to 0.382 level, if we are getting a change of character or 236 break here, then we can directly target 0.5, sorry, the wave number 5. Okay, and this wave number 5 also we are expecting a price level, and the detailed video and everything will be shared in our community and our Pipscraft community. Already we have one community, maybe some of you guys may know. This community, in this community we are giving trade analysis and everything, and this is an intraday trade of Pipscraft, and here we have the same one of our platinum community here. So in this community we are giving long-term swing trades, and this one was our January 26th post. We were expecting a trade like a buy price at 2,700 something like that, and we were targeting 29 something and 3,070. So we are also actually going to update this trade actually in our premium community. So we are expecting we will share this entire details, and the next gold target level and everything will be the community. Okay, so this is my gold analysis, and this is my view in gold. And if you are getting a bullish DC or a bullish momentum in silver as well, then we can directly go for a buy in gold and silver. Okay, so if we are looking in silver, actually this high, it's a important high. This one was actually created on Tuesday. This is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, one trading week is done. So we can consider this as a one of the previous week high, and the market has taken the previous week high. It was a sudden fall, so definitely there are some of liquidities are pending, and it has taken on which day? It has taken on 27th March. So here we got one structure break and everything. So this is a clear change of character. We have already know that. And here, if we are analyzing, if you are checking the market here, we are in nearby golden ratio, or nearby the optimal range of this impulse. So if we are taking a buy or planning for a buy in silver, we have to get a structure break. So if the market, there is a possibility for getting reversed from this potential optimal range. So if you are taking any trades in silver, first wait for getting a confirmation in Guppy, and the same confirmation you have to take in HADC as well. If you are getting confirmed in both Guppy and this HADC, then just wait for getting a confirmation in getting a breakout or something like that in 4 hours. Then you can go for directly, you can go for this trade. Okay, otherwise don't directly enter to this this silver. Okay, why? Because the momentum still is in bearish. Okay, so this is my analysis, and this is my view in gold. So let's see what happened on the coming week. Okay, then okay, Farooq bhai, hello, hi. Then Nirish Narayan, okay, hi bro. So this is my analysis in gold and silver, and the rest of the currencies and Bitcoin and index funds, everything will be updated by Mujib. So if you have any doubts regarding this gold and silver, you can comment here. ഞാൻ എല്ലാവർക്കും ക്ലിയർ ആണെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ? ഒന്ന് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സോ കാര്യങ്ങളോ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. Hi, Basil bro. Hi, hi. ഓക്കെ, ആരും ഒന്നും പറയുന്നതായിട്ട് കാണുന്നില്ല. എല്ലാവർക്കും ക്ലിയർ ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. സോ ഹായ് മേവിഷ്, ഹായ് ഹായ്. അപ്പോൾ ഐ ബിലീവ് എവരി വൺ ഗോട്ട് വാട്ട് ഐ ഹാവ് ഷെയർഡ് ഹിയർ. ദെൻ so okay, so Mahvish, here in day time frame you can see here this is a clear structure breakout, and the previous month high also taken, and it's a clear structure break and there is no rejection. We can see in this candle it's a high impulsive candle which has break this previous month high. When we are looking in 4 hour, here we have an Elliott impulse. So the market has completed 0, 1, 2, and this is a 3, and the market has completed this 3.618, because so we can take this one as 2 to 3. So an impulse has to create the wave number 4 and 5. So I am expecting a wave, the fourth wave at 0. In between 0.236 to 0.382. So after getting a confirmation of like change of character or structure break from here, then you can directly target the 5. Okay, so this is my analysis in gold, and just compare your chart with silver. So silver already in a bearish momentum. It didn't change its biasness. We already know this one was a previous one of the previous week high. The market has taken the previous week high and we got a change of character here, and the market has created a highly strong impulse. So now the market is in a 0.618 level, so it's a best correction level, an optimal range level. So there is a possibility for continuing its bearishness. So we have to wait for getting that bullishness here. So we can easily confirm this bullishness using this HADC. So here you can see this, the market didn't convert its or didn't change his momentum. Still the market is in bearish, and if the market change its bearishness, if the market creates a bullish DC, then if we are getting a structure break in lower time frame, so the market has to create the prices, then only we can update that. If you are getting the both, if the market creates a bullish DC and if you are getting a structure break in candle, then you can go for a buy in silver. Then only the gold will be confirmed. So just wait, actually both are in positive correlation, so we have to take both confirmation for taking any trades in gold. Okay. Okay, Bivin bro, okay, clear, okay. Thank you bro, thank you. Then if you have any doubts, then you can text, you can come in here. Okay, so the rest of the currencies and index Bitcoin and everything will be updated by Mujib, and I'm inviting him. So Mujib sir, please come, everyone is waiting for you. അപ്പോൾ മുജീബ് അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും കമൻറ്റോ കാര്യങ്ങളോ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സോ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ താഴെ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, ഡൺ.
Hi, hello. So, last Sunday നമ്മൾ വീക്ക്ലി ഫോറക്സ് ഫോർകാസ്റ്റിൽ ഓൾറെഡി മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ടോഷി USDT എന്നുള്ള ക്രിപ്റ്റോ കറൻസി ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 2-0 ലെവലിൽ നിന്ന് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഒരു ബൈ ഓർഡർ പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം 105% മാർക്കറ്റ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഇൻക്രിമെൻറ്റ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് $100 it will become $200. Okay, so next if you are coming to the 4-hour time frame, we can see an Elliott movement here, but it is still not confirmed, but we can see market is now coming to the discount zone. Okay, after that we can again expect a fifth wave in Toshi USDT. Okay, this was the confirmation. There was, after creating a downtrend market, we can see market created a W pattern here. W pattern after market retracement happened and the momentum market was started from here. Okay, so that was almost 100% movement, almost nearest 100% movement. Okay, so when we are coming to US 100, we already updated a trade in our Pipcraft community. Yes, you can see US 100, the buy limit is 17,122. Okay, so this is a buying zone. Again we are expecting level. After reaching this zone we need to take further confirmation, and also you can put a first layer of your entry from here also. Okay, after getting the final confirmation we can go for a another 0.5% tomorrow after coming this zone only. Okay, this is the analysis for the US Tech 100, and this area, this yellow zone is acting as a huge rejection. So once market break this zone we can expect this area will become support. But ഒരുപാട് താരിഫിൻ്റെ എൻട്രി പ്രശ്നങ്ങളും ട്രംപ് US ചൈന ആയിട്ടുള്ള ട്രേഡ്സ് വാർസ് നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ മാർക്കറ്റ് വീണ്ടും നാളെ ഒരു ഡൗൺ നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. മാർക്കറ്റ് ഈ ഒരു പൊസിഷനിലൂടെ എത്തുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ബൈ ഓർഡർ കൂടെ നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഓൾവേസ് മൺഡേ ദിവസങ്ങളിൽ ട്രേഡ് എൻ്റർ ആകുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ റിസ്ക്, സാധാരണഗതിയിൽ നിങ്ങൾ റിസ്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന എമൗണ്ടിൻ്റെ 50% മാത്രമേ മൺഡേ ഫ്രൈഡേ ദിവസങ്ങളിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എൻട്രി ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ ലോട്ട് സൈസ് നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ വേണം റിസ്ക് നിങ്ങൾ മാനേജ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, തിങ്കൾ വെള്ളി ദിവസങ്ങളിൽ if you are going for a trade on Monday and Friday, you need to risk only 0.5% or 0.5% of your regular risk. Okay, hi Basil. Yes, തുടക്കം തന്നെ തോഷിയാണല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മുടെ ബൈസോൺ ആയിരുന്നു, ഞാൻ മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Okay, okay, next we are coming to the USDJPY. Here also we can see in higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, it is a 786 level. So it is a reversal area. So here we can see a 0 1 2 3 4, and now market is almost completed the fifth wave. Okay, and also we are updated a one trade in Pipcraft community. This is the buy order that we are expecting. Okay, in that is in smaller time frame, 4-hour time frame. Okay, after taking one more low we are expecting one more buy. So first layer of lot size you can go from here, and the second layer we need to take another confirmation because tomorrow is Monday, so we need to take further confirmation because tomorrow will be a consolidation market. Okay, and from the Tuesday the market volume will be came, then that time we will definitely get another confirmation for a buying. Okay, so next we are coming to the Ethereum. In Ethereum also we are updated a flag pattern. Market is in, I think it is in 30 minutes we can see a flag pattern. So now we didn't get any confirmation, there is no breakout. Now this flag market becomes a downtrend market. So here we can see market will try to take a support, and if you check the Elliott wave we can see 0 1, market is coming to the 2.618 level. So this will be a 0, 1, 2. After taking the 2.618, one more lower high we can expect. After completing this fifth wave, we can expect another correction. That will be a ABC correction. That will be an ABC correction, like, okay, this type of correction we can see. So we are expecting, and also market is trying to create a triangle pattern here. If you look at this triangle, now this triangle breakout is happened, market will try to take a support here, so where we will get a triangle pattern. Okay, and again we are expecting one more 5 here. This movement on, we are expecting one more time to this support level. Okay, so maybe market will take the previous low and will collect the liquidity, and I am expecting the price into $1,350. Okay, still the price is didn't touch that level, so that may be a fifth movement of this dilute. Okay, yes. So next we are going to GBP USD. So if I am starting from the weekly time frame, we can see last week candle was a bullish candle. Okay, it is almost close to 50% of the last previous week. Okay, and if I are coming to the daily time frame, we can see market is creating consecutive bullish candles, and this area will be act as a rejection zone, and here we can see market created a change of character. And if I are coming to the 4-hour time frame, we can see an Elliott wave in 2-hour time frame. This will be a 0, 1. Market is trying to take support from this level, 1.618 level. So 0, 1, 2. After touching 2.618 one more time, we can expect a fifth wave. After that, we can expect a ABC correction. ABC correction. Okay. Next, we are coming to the Euro USD. So in the last Forex forecast, we already almost expect a movement. I think we already updated in Pipcraft. Let me check. Yes. So last last weekly Forex forecast already mentioned the point fourth wave and fifth wave movement almost in April last Saturday. Okay, 5th April 2025. Okay, so after that we can see the same movement happened here. Okay, so now market is creating final wave. Again we can expect a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. This area will act as a support, so we can look for a pattern here. Expecting to this 2.618 level. After that we can expect one more correction. Maybe this 1.618 will act as a support area, or this zone will act as a support area. Then after we are expecting one more fifth wave. That may be a ending diagonal. That will be a, we can expect like a ending diagonal after one ABC correction. Okay, so still we can see market is in an uptrend market. Okay, market is creating an uptrend. That is a curvy model. Okay, if you check with this, market is creating a curvy model uptrend market. It's not a regular uptrend market. We can see market is forming in a curvy model uptrend market, so we are expecting this area will act as a support. Okay, yes. Next we are going to GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is still confused area because market is in almost, if you are checking the weekly time frame and monthly time frame, market just took last previous month's lows. And also if you check the 3 months candle, that's a quarterly candle, we can see market just collected the previous quarter low. And if you are checking the 6-month candle, half yearly low is here. So what we can expect in smaller time frame? So first probability, here we can see market created a change of character. We can see here market is just created a change of character. Okay, next we need a, if market going to uptrend, first we need a break of structure here, then we can expect market will create a uptrend market, or otherwise market will again comes to downtrend market. After taking this liquidity, we can expect a uptrend market. This is the two scenario for the GBP JPY. I hope everyone is clear in GBP JPY. So there is two scenario we can expect. Maybe market will create a breakout structure and market we can expect a uptrend market in the coming week. Okay, or if market again continue to the downtrend market, we can expect this half yearly low, that will, after taking that half yearly low, we can expect a uptrend market. And also we can expect there is a 0 1 2 3 Elliott wave moment. If you check with the extension, this will be the 0 1 2, right? So here we can see market is already took the 2.618. So as per Elliott, we can expect the market will create a 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is also possible as per Elliott wave. Okay, that wave may be an ending diagonal like ABCDE, like 0 1 2. It will be an expanding diagonal. This movement also we can expect. This is the expanding diagonal, so it's like a ending diagonal. Okay, so this area we need to wait for the breakout. For this, after taking the half yearly low, we can go for a buy after breaking the ending diagonal. Okay, yes. If you are coming to the Bitcoin, so on 11th April 2025, we updated a ascending triangle in Bitcoin Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So if you are checking the futures market, so just search BTC. Here you can see all. Here you can see BTC Bitcoin futures market. So just add that into your trading view and check. Here you can see there was a CME gap. So I was already updating our market breakout trading program, our general community. This gap will be filled. So here we can see market created a change of character and also filled the CME gap. Okay, after that market now just creating a breakout structure, but a proper breakout structure market needs to break this low. Then only we can expect market will hit $1 lakh. Otherwise, what we can see in Bitcoin market, we can see an XABCD pattern here. So just take the XABCD. This is a 1.13 level. Here we can expect a reversal. Okay, if we get a breakout structure above of this high, then we can expect market will reach nearest $1 lakh. Okay, so for that we need a BOS here, breakout structure, or otherwise market will create the Z wave here, and that will be into $69,000. Okay, so next what we are expecting, there is two scenario again. Next movement we can expect like this, or market will create a breakout structure, then will take the support and create a high into the $1 lakh. So $1 lakh is a rounded figure that is very important for the Bitcoin market. Okay, so that is a rounded figure, $1 lakh. So it is very important for the Bitcoin. After reaching this $1 lakh, we can expect one more correction because that is a rounded figure. And also this area will act as a support. After taking the $1 lakh, if market comes to this level, then we can expect this area will act as a support. Why? If you take the discount level, that area is the 0.5%, that is a discount zone. Okay, and the 75 area is the deep zone, like a golden zone for the Bitcoin. So this is the analysis for today. So I hope everyone understand. Any question? Do you have any question? You can ask through the live chat, so I can reply. This is the movements what we are expecting in the coming months.
Sir, about ETH.
About ETH is already. In ETH we can see market created a change of character. Next we need a proper breakout structure above this high, and also market trying to create a pattern here. Here already pattern breakout is happened. Okay, so that wave we can expect into 0 1 2 3 5 movement, 0 1 2 3 5, this movement. So this triangle will be expanded into this level, that may be the support level. Okay, so after breakout we can expect a bull run into $2,000 level. $2,000 level is also an important price level for the Ethereum because it is a rounded figure. You can see what happened before here. So this is an important rounded figure for the Ethereum. Yes, BTC and buy limit level parayam. For the BTC, I suggest you to buy only from 69,000. Okay, for the long term, if you are looking for a long term buy, 69,000 will be the good buying zone because that is a 2021 all time high. Okay, so that area will act as a good support. This area will act as a good support, that is a good buying zone for the next all time high. And Ethereum is $1,350 is the good buying zone. You can place a buy limit, or if you are trading in a spot market, you can put a buy limit on $1,350. That's a good price for Ethereum. Okay, for the oil we can see so this was the last day analysis. So here we can see a gap down market. So if market comes to this zone, we can expect one more sell from $70 to $61 we can expect. This is a good sell limit area, sell supply zone. So here we can expect one more down. So still oil is the 52-week low. So if you're checking the higher time frame, we can see market took this is a 6-month candle. If you are looking to the 12-month candle, we can see market just took 2023 low. Okay, next we can expect this is a we can expect at least this zone, then only we can look for a buying opportunity. Market needs to touch here. Here we can see market trying to create a pattern. So if market break the pattern again, we can expect another down in oil. Okay, yes. So ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ വൈൻഡപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. എന്തെങ്കിലും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോദിക്കാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു സെഷൻ വൈൻഡപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, sorry guys, I think my now is open. Yes. So Rafiq, one more time I am repeating, you can check. Yes, you can check through the initial stage of this live. So after completing this live, this video will be uploaded into YouTube, so that time you can rewind from the first stage. Okay, so where we are discussing about detailed discussion is available on gold, so you can look on that. Okay, for the Bitcoin, I'm expecting into $69K. That is a previous all-time high in 2020 and 2021. Clear, Rafiq? Okay, yes. So we are going to wind up this session. So thank you for joining. So in future, in next Tuesday, we will conduct a live trade on 4:30 evening 4:30. So hope you will be all there. Okay, thank you everyone.